my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my morning routine. What do I do in the morning? I already did kind of like my shower routine. So let's just continue with my morning and see how it goes. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, let's get into it. Disclaimer, I have a new lens. If it looks bad, I am so sorry. This lens, I'm still trying to see how it works. It doesn't have like zoom in and zoom out. It's just like you can manually focus it. It's a very manual lens, which I am not enjoying. But I mean, it looks good now. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so honestly, I have no idea of what to wear today. I was thinking maybe these like pants, but I don't like see a top I would like to match them with. Okay, so we are going to church. Today is Sunday, so we have to look cute but decent. So that implies my really decent outfit, but it's really cute, so I'm proud of it. And yeah, let's get our makeup done because we looking dead. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup. This is not gonna be a makeup tutorial because I'm gonna fast forward all of this. You know, I'm gonna be doing my like morning. What? Get ready with me everyday tutorial thing, my everyday routine video soon. So that's why I'm not gonna be like showing you all the steps to what I do for my makeup every day. So I just apply moisturizer and it feels weird. So yeah. Okay, so I am done doing my makeup. Now I'm going to like add some jewelry to complete the look. And for my hair, you'll see what I did to my hair because I barely do nothing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I do to my hair. What I do is, instead of like detangling it, I just like brush out a bit the ends and stuff. Like, let's do this. A bit up there. So I just like brush out a little bit the hair. I don't like fully detangle it because I don't have time. Yeah, that's about it. That's what I do. Okay, so now my hair is usually really dry. I mean, I should just literally shave my head off and grow new hair because my hair is just horrible. I try to do like a lot of like conditioning stuff on the ends because I'm like oily up here, but like my ends are like dry. So I just use this Sola leave-in conditioner, which is so good because it doesn't leave me like feeling like I have oily, greasy hair. So I just like scrunch it up in my hair so I can get like my little waves because I don't have that much curls. It's just like I got waves and curls. I got a mess on my hair actually. Okay, so then I use the GK hair taming system with Juvexin. It's the same thing as my shampoo and conditioner, and you know, it just came in a little kit on a list to treat our hair color, which mine's already gone because it's been like a couple months since I had, you know, you remember my red hair. So now it's just blonde again. So I don't use that much, it's just like a little drop because it's like really oily. And I just scrunch it up in my hair as well. Okay, so now that I am done with all those beauty related things, I'm gonna go have breakfast because I am starving. So what's the verdict? What we're having for breakfast today? Thank you for changing languages on my channel.
Okay, I was gonna say it's bread with spam and I think butter.
And mine has mayonnaise, right?
No, I don't know.
Yes,
I
it
only
does.
had butter. I was talking about yours. Genius.
Well, anyways. Oh, that's good because I get views, and if I get views, I can get monetized. I have a plan for the next few months, well, next 2 months, to see if I can get my views up. Okay, we're gonna have breakfast now. Okay, so you guys know that my New Year's resolution was to be zero waste, but apparently my mother didn't get the memo. Foam plates, that's great. Okay, so for everyone to hear you out, can you repeat, please, what you were just saying?
One of my New Year's resolution was to find one of my friends a girlfriend.
Wow, you're so nice. What about yourself?
I know that's a long way from happening.
So it's a lost cause. That's great. Okay, so I'm done having breakfast and I kind of need to reapply some lipstick. So I'm just gonna reapply the lip gloss, and that's like about it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my bag. I don't know what bag am I gonna take. Oh, I know what bag I'm gonna take. I don't know. Okay, so I quickly did my bed because I was gonna show you like how I prepare my bag, and my bed is a mess. So I just fixed it up real quick for you guys. You know. This is the bag I'm gonna be using today. I feel it kind of matches my outfit somehow. Don't know how. Just have my wallet in here. Okay, so the other things that go in my bag, by the way, this is a tote bag, if you were wondering. Things that go in my purse is my iPad Pro. I just put my iPad in there, and it doesn't have any battery. Great! Okay, so I just take my iPad Pro, Apple Pencil. So the reason I'm taking my iPad Pro and my Apple Pencil is because today it's Sunday, going to church, and I take notes on my iPad, so that's it. My phone, which has my ID on the back, so, you know, handy dandy phone. Then I just take this little bag that has like all my electronics inside, like cable electronics. I have like my hard drive here. I have my headphones, I have a portable charger, I have this little thing which is for the Apple Pencil to charge another point, and I take just my iPad charger because I can use it for my phone as well. So that's like about it. I am ready, set to go. You might be asking yourself, is she gonna like apply deodorant and perfume? Well, since I always forget, I have it in the car, so when I go into the car, I just open up my deodorant and perfume and I do all that jazz. Okay guys, so I just got back home and that was the video. It's my morning routine, what I do. It literally is what I do every day, besides the fact that I went to church today. But like when I go to school like regularly and on the week, it's the same thing, my same morning routine. I just use less makeup or no makeup at all, but I do the same thing to my hair and I accessorize kind of the same, you know, same thing. I take a shower, do the same thing all day long, every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Please go down there and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos that I'm planning for this year. So yeah, you can check out my Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams. I got my makeup one, it's at makeup by Paolaawesome, and my main Insta, which is at Paolaawesome. So you can go and check out that over there and go follow me, comment, like, all what you want to do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.